Namaste and good afternoon, my dear student of class 9, and we are here in the day 24 today, yes, and we are discussing, that means in the previous classes, about the linear or the simultaneous equation, how to solve by the substitution or elimination method, yes, and we have already discussed the two questions in that classes, and now same way we are going to discuss the two questions in this classes also, yes, and they are a bit different than that, yes. And look here, that is question number, that is a, it is given that ax plus by equals to c, that means what, a, b and c, that means these two a, b and c are also the variable term, no? And how to solve the such types of the question we are going to do by the substitution and elimination method, and that means we are going to only find the value of x and y, but in term of a, b and c we can get the answer, or in term of after cancelling we get 1 and 2 or the constant number, yes or no? So our main target is to find the value of x and y, yes, and rest remaining question are also there, and we will discuss in the next classes, yes or no? So question number 1 solution. 1a number, that means a number solution. Yes, what is given? That is given equation is there. That's why given equation are yes. So we have ax plus by equals to c. This is the first equation, and similarly we have second, bx plus ay equals to 1 plus c. This is the second equation, yes or no? Yes. So we are going to solve by the substitution method at first. That's why by using substitution method, yes, that means by using, we are going to use the substitution. So from equation first we will get the value of x, and that x we are going to put the value in second equation. So from equation first, ax plus by equals to c, ax equals to c minus by, and x equals to c minus by upon a. This is the equation second. Sorry, this is the equation third, and we get the value of x in term of this, yes or no? This is y, yes, that is by, this is another, and now we are going to put this value in the equation second, putting the value of x in equation second. Yes, so we have b into x, and we have the value c minus by upon a plus ay equals to 1 plus c. This is, yes or no? In place of x we put the value, and let's simplify this. This b multiply with both the term to the outside. So b into c minus b square into y upon a plus ay equals to 1 plus c. This is, now this a is in the denominator, so we take the LCM at first. So we get what, bc minus b square into y plus a square y, and this a is in the divide this side, then it multiply. So we get 1 plus c into a. This is, yes or no? And here, look here we have the y common or not? So we can take out y as a common, and this bc is beyond y, that means y is not here. So same this to that side. So we get what? When we take y as a common, so we get a square minus b square equals to, when we multiply a plus ac, and here it is minus bc. This is a that we get the term like this. Yes. So our y equals to, this is multiplied this side and it divides, so we get a plus ac minus bc upon a square minus b square. This is that, And is there any things we can do there? I think that there is not. Yes, if we take out from this, C is common, then we get A minus B, but A is written here. Yes or no? If only C is here, then that is the possible, no? Yes, but that is not, so we can write up to this one. Yes, we cannot simplify that. Yes, so this is the value of y, and let's put that value of y in equation third, then we get the value of x from there. Yes or no? Now putting the value of y in equation third, when we put, then we get x equals to what we get, c minus b into, we have y a plus ac minus bc upon a square minus b square. This is the value of y, and whole upon a is there. Look there. Now we are going to simplify that. R equals to this b multiply with upper part, and then this we take the LCM of that, and then it comes downside. So we get what? We get such a number like c minus, we get minus ab plus a bc minus abc. Sorry, b square is here. No, bc is here, that's why b square c upon a square minus b square, and then whole upon a is there. Let's simplify that. Let's take the LCM, that is a square c, and then minus ab minus abc plus b square c. Yes, so we forget to multiply this c with b also. Yes or no? So a square c minus b square c, then minus ab minus bc plus b square c whole upon a into a square minus b square. This is another. Now we look here, b square c plus minus we can cancel. Yes, and take out a from the a common from all. AC minus, here it is b, and then minus a is not there. Yes or no? And bc is here, whole upon a into a square minus b square. A and a we can cancel, so we get the value AC minus BC minus B upon A square minus B square. So these are the result. That means the value of yes, and we get that. Yes, and lastly we are going to write. Therefore, the value of x and y are x AC minus BC minus B upon A square minus B square, and A plus AC minus BC whole upon A square minus B square. This is the required answer. Yes, required solution for the question number 1 by the substitution method. Yes, and in the same way we can get the value of this, the same equation by the elimination method we are going to solve that. Yes, so by the elimination method, the same way, that means we are going to eliminate one. Look the question I have written, that means the given is same, but by elimination it is same, no? So we are going to eliminate, and while eliminating we have to look the coefficient is same or not. Look that here it is A, here it is B, so in order to make the coefficient same, we are going to multiply this with B and this with A. Yes or no? And then easily we can get that the coefficient. So while solving such type, that means by elimination, by using elimination method. Yes, we are going to use the elimination method, and to do the elimination method, we are going to multiply. That means multiplying multiply equation first by b and equation second by a and subtracting equation second from first. That is, so let's multiply this b with all these three terms. So we get abx plus b square y equals to bc. Similarly here abx plus a square y equals to a plus ac, and since it is subtraction, that's why minus sign will be here. So this cancel, and let's do this y as a common. So we get what? B square minus a square will be there. Yes, and then we get what? BC minus a minus AC. Yes or not? And look here, B square minus a square here. But while doing the elimination, we get a square minus b square, and these terms are in the positive. So don't get confused on such types. Yes. So we can make that. So let's do this as a let's take minus as a common. So we get y equals to bc minus a minus ac upon b square minus a square. Yes, and let's interchange that let's the sign change. So a plus ac minus bc upon a square minus b square, and the substitution method we get the same term. Yes, and by putting this value either in equation first or second, the original one, we get the value of x from here. So putting the value of y in equation first. Let's put it first in equation first. We get, yes. So what is the equation first? A x plus b. We have the value of y, that is a plus ac minus bc upon a square minus b square equals to c. This is, and let's simplify this. Yes. So while simplifying that, let's do this LCM with this. So we get what? That is a into a square minus b square into x plus ab plus abc minus b square c, and this term go to this side. So we get what? C, yes, into a square minus b square, like this. Yes or no? And let's simplify this. These are in the positive, that means whatever is there, remove that side. Only that means this side we get the value of x. We are going to find the value of x. That's why x comes to this side and remaining to the that side. So we get a square minus b square into x equals to, let's multiply that. That is, we get a square c minus b square c, and then minus ab minus abc minus b square c. This is yes and no. And when we do that, here it is minus, so we get plus sign. bc square b square c, we can cancel that, and here it is in the multiply, this side then it divides. So we get x equals to what? A square c minus ab minus abc whole upon a into a square minus b square. We get like this. Yes, and let's in the numerator part we take a as a common. So we get AC minus BC, yes, sorry, minus, if you take out that, so minus B and then minus BC will be here whole upon A into A square minus B square. A and A cancel, we get what? AC minus BC minus B whole upon A square minus B square. So these are that means the value of x and the value of value of y and the value of x. In this way we get the value of x and y. And lastly we are going to write the same one, that is the value of x and y are, we have the value of x ac minus bc minus b whole upon a square minus b square, and then we have the value of a plus ac minus bc whole upon a square minus b square. This is, yes. So in this way we that is completed the solution for the question number 1a. Yes. So this is the way how to solve that, and each question is said as substitution and elimination, but in the exam you are going to do either by substitution or elimination, not the both way. Yes or no? You are going to use only by substitution. If in the question it is said solve by substitution method, then apply the substitution. If it is elimination, then apply the elimination. If the question it is not said to use the substitution or elimination, yes, just only solve the following system of the equation it is said. So we can apply that this elimination or substitution. Which one is better for you? Yes or no? So in this way we solve the question number 1 by the elimination and substitution method. Yes. And question number 2, for the question number 2, that is within the numerical time and easy also you can do that due to the insufficient time. No, that's why I have done the question number A only. Yes. So this was for today. Thank you.